In the previous lesson, we installed and applied a new theme. This is how the dashboard looked with the default clean theme. And this is how it now looks with the new Aardvark theme. This looks visually much more appealing already. The header space seems better optimized. There is a friendlier look due to multiple colors being used. The blocks have nice headers, improving readability, and so on. And I have already added a nice logo for this theme here. But this is just the starting point for you, and there is much more that can be done to customize this theme, even with less technical or graphical competency. Almost every theme gives an additional screen for customization, and the way to access it is from the themes drop-down and selecting the theme name. I have mentioned this link already in a couple of lessons. Now let us see how to use it. When I clicked on the Aardvark name to get to the custom screen, this page opens up. Let's understand this page for a moment. It's divided into three sections: the basic settings, the footer, and the social icons. Please note, this screen is given to you by the theme's developer, and I can safely say that the options you get here will almost never be the same for any two different themes. I will show you more samples at the end of this lesson. In the first section, you have a very powerful control changing the theme's color. You can see from the button here at the top, this is the main color of the theme, and it is used by the theme's CSS at various places, including the buttons, menu, and the URL mouse hovers. By just selecting a color here, you can change the base color all over Moodle. Just be careful doing this. The default color has already been chosen by a professional, but it is there if you want it. You can then add a logo like this by specifying an URL for an image on your server. Note that you have not been given a file picker here, though that would probably have been the ideal thing to do. I created a new folder called images in my Moodle root and then placed a logo image there and gave the URL to that image in this text box. The general alert will take any text message you write in the box here and display it very prominently on the site's front page. This is the message being shown from the alert box. You will typically use it for short timed important alerts. When you are done with the message and want to remove it, just come back to this page, empty the box and save changes, and that message will be removed. Then you can also add custom CSS of your choice, typically for formatting some LMS element additionally. I have not used it right now. Again, use this very cautiously. You will not want to break anything if you are not familiar with what you are doing. And always test what you are doing before adding your own code to the production server. The rest of the page is pretty intuitive. You can add various pieces of information, including the copyright information, disclaimer, and provide all the social links that your institution might be using. I have filled in a few of this information. So in this lesson, we have seen how additional customization can be done for a theme. This customization options will depend from theme to theme. Some themes give much more options than what you just now saw. For example, in the essential theme I mentioned in the previous lesson, customization options run into 9 separate pages. Just the colors alone has about 50 color controls to manipulate every single aspect of the design. At this time, Essential theme isn't officially released for Moodle 3.0. You are seeing the 2.9 version here, and it is not recommended. But whenever you want to implement a theme, do check this essential theme also.